Hello and welcome, my friends. If you've ever found a shiny stone and wondered, could this be a real diamond? You're in the right place. Before we start our test, let's take a moment to understand what a rough diamond really is. A rough diamond is a natural, uncut and unpolished diamond, exactly how it looks when it comes out of the earth. It often appears dull, irregular and sometimes cloudy, but it hides incredible brilliance and hardness inside. In fact, diamond is the hardest natural substance on Earth, making it highly valuable in jewelry and industry. Today, we'll learn a simple and safe way to test a rough diamond at home using water and salt, with no special tools or lab equipment needed. Let's begin. Why use water and salt to test a diamond? The water and salt test works based on density, the measure of how heavy something is compared to its size. Real diamonds are very dense, meaning they will sink quickly when placed in a saltwater solution. Fake stones or glass, on the other hand, are much lighter and will usually float or hover near the surface. What you'll need: 1. A clear glass or bowl. 2. Clean water. 3. Regular table salt. 4. A small spoon for stirring. 5. The rough stone you want to test. Step-by-step diamond test using water and salt. Step 1. Prepare the saltwater solution. Fill the glass halfway with water. Add 2 tablespoons of salt and stir well until it fully dissolves. The goal is to create a dense saltwater mixture. Step 2. Drop the stone into the water. Gently place your rough diamond into the glass. Watch carefully to see what happens. Step 3. Observe the result. If the stone sinks straight to the bottom, it's a strong sign it could be a real diamond. If it floats or drifts slowly, it's likely a fake or glass imitation. Extra tips for accurate results: make sure the salt is fully dissolved before dropping the stone. This test gives an initial idea. For full confirmation, combine it with other tests like the fog test, scratch test, or light reflection test. Handle your stone carefully to avoid scratching or damaging it. Why this test works? Diamonds have a density of about 3.5 grams per centimeter, which is much higher than glass or quartz, around 2.5 grams per centimeters. That means diamonds will sink faster and deeper, even in salt water, while lighter, fake stones will not. Conclusion. And that's it, my friends. You now know how to perform the simple water and salt test to identify a real rough diamond at home. It's quick, easy, and requires only everyday materials you already have. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to share it with others who might have mysterious shiny stones at home. Who knows, they might be holding a real diamond.